Hi guys, welcome back to Call Clutter Fairy, where I help you get clutter-free so that you can live stress-free. Today, I'm going to take you on a mini tour of my home to show you how I purge and declutter. Make sure you watch till the end. I will be showing you how you can win a free Call Clutter Fairy T-Shirt, so stay tuned. So I want to show you just how easy it is to purge step by step. In just 10 minutes per area, I'm going to get rid of 21 things, or at least that's my goal. And if you think about it, that's only 7 items per area. So it's not so overwhelming when you look at it that way. So let's go. Normally when I start an organizing project, I start out with labeling things that I'm going to keep, get rid of, trash, and donate. In this instance, I know I'm purposely looking for things to get rid of, so I'm not going to mark a keep. I do have the trash can here, ready to go for those things that truly need to be discarded. I've got a box that's already going to charity. I know that I'm going to be going through my toiletries and beauty products. It's a small box because I know I'm going to be sending it to Project Beauty Share. I've spoken about them before, and I'll make sure to put a link below, so check that out. The last one is a large box, and that's just donate, and I'm going to make sure that today I drop that off to my local charity group so that they can make good use of it. So I'm going to start in my closet, so let's go. So I'm going to start with an easy one. This is my bedroom closet. I live in a really small house, so I don't have a lot of room. So I really have to stay on top of the things that I keep so that I don't outgrow my little space. So about twice a year, I go through my closet, and if I haven't worn something in that season that just ended, I turn the hangers backwards. And the reason that I do that is so it's a quick and easy visual to see what things haven't been worn, so that when I go to purge again, I can see, okay, it's been another year since that's been turned around. Let it go. So this is a really quick one for me to do right now. I'm going to look at all these items that have a hanger that's facing the wrong way, and as long as it's in good condition, I'm going to go ahead and make a donation, and if not, it's going to go in this trash can. So let's go. So that took me all of 4 minutes to remove the items that were facing the wrong way on my hangers and take them off the hangers, and in the box they go. I did go through and change the orientation of the hangers for what I'll be making decisions on next season, which is just 6 months away. But that was so quick. And by changing the direction of your hangers, it kind of makes it a no-brainer for you because you can really see what you've been wearing. This visual trick has always been one of my favorite tips for quickly purging your clothes. So let's go to the next area. Alright guys, so now I'm in my bathroom. Sorry for the lighting and the echo. Again, small house, small bathroom. So this was a system I'd put together for my family and I because this bathroom has no cabinets, 0. It's a pedestal sink with no cabinet underneath it, a toilet, and a tub. Literally, that's it. So I put this together so we had a place for some of our hair products, body products, first aid. It's been a catch-all though. You know, my kids don't always put things back where they belong. I know it's a shock, but it's time to update this system, so I'm going to go ahead and purge the products that are bad in the trash, and those items that still have life in it, again, I'm going to go ahead and donate those to Project Beauty Share. I love their organization. They have found a way to sanitize the items so that they can redistribute it, and I think that's amazing. It keeps items out of the landfill and also helps people who have a need. So let's get started here. So as you can see, I've already got things kind of sorted. That's just the way we do it. But after time, people have thrown things in the wrong area. So I'm going to be checking the life of it and deciding if it goes into the trash or the charity. So let's go. So what I found was that I don't need to go to the store and buy hair ponies because while I thought we were out, we have about 100 of them. So what I did was I attached all the small hair clips that we have. Everybody in my family seems to have long hair, and these are always highly being sought after. So I clipped these just the outside of our little box here. Inside of this one are bobby pins, small hair ponies, hair ties, hair bands, hair brushes. These are the fancier bows and hair bands that my kids have. And this, for some reason, deodorant was everywhere, so I've now given it its own box. In addition, I have a nice full box here of items that's going to go to Project Beauty Share, so I'm excited to send that off to them. And now I'm going to go to the next area, so let's go. This is my last little area that I have. Let me see if I can make it look a little better here. This is a corner of my house where I keep a lot of my office supplies for when kids are doing homework or when I need to get something done really quick. It's also kind of my graveyard for books. So these are books that I always say, oh, I should read someday, but that someday is usually consumed by crafts or kid projects, or I usually come up with 100 other things that I'd rather do. So these books need to go ahead and go to somebody else. Right now, this isn't cluttered. I'm pretty happy with it, but I still am not using these items, and they could be of benefit to somebody else, and I can make space. So let's get started. I'm done with this area. It took all of 4 minutes, and I got rid of 15 books, about a dozen magazines, and this area has tons of room now for anything I might need to add in. Please take the challenge with me. 30 minutes, 3 areas, just 7 items per section, and you'll be amazed at how much you can clutter in that short amount of time. It also was great to go ahead and get those items to somebody who can use it. Well guys, that's all I have for today. I really hope that this video helped you to purge and get rid of some items. If you did like the tips that I had, please click the like button below and comment on what areas you purged. Also, I will be picking one lucky subscriber to win this Call Clutter Fairy T-Shirt, so if you're not subscribed, please make sure to click that button. I do post videos every week and you won't miss one if you're subscribed. See you next week!